Have you ever been stuck making a decision, big or small, like should I quit my job? Should I send that text? Or even should I eat that extra slice of pizza? There is a simple rule that can help you decide in just 1 minute. It's called the 10-10-10 rule. The 10-10-10 rule was made popular by author Suzy Welch. It's a quick way to think about the future before you make a choice. Here is how it works. Ask yourself, how will I feel about this decision in 10 minutes? Then, how will I feel about it in 10 months? And finally, how will I feel about it in 10 years? That's it. Three simple questions. Let's say you are thinking about eating junk food late at night. In 10 minutes, you'll probably feel happy. In 10 months, maybe you will regret it if it becomes a habit. And in 10 years, your health could be worse. Suddenly, the choice is clearer. Let's take a look at another example. Imagine you are deciding whether to quit a job you don't like. In 10 minutes, you might feel nervous or even guilty. In 10 months, you could be working somewhere better or at least proud you tried. In 10 years, you'll probably thank yourself for not staying stuck. The long term perspective helps you make better moves. This rule works because our brains love short term comfort. But when you stretch your thinking into months and years, you see the bigger picture. It doesn't make the decision for you, but it gives you clarity. And most of the time, clarity is all you need. So the next time you are stuck, remember 10 minutes, 10 months, and 10 years. Ask yourself how you will feel in each time frame, and the right choice often becomes obvious. Try the 10-10-10 rule today, even for something small, and see how powerful it is. Thanks for watching.